string. It's very interesting, and you will find useful when you are collecting all the records together. So see here, this is the simple string aggregation convert and varchar, because it's a long value, so that we are doing what exactly it is doing. You can see that all the name, see the name are joined together in the table. So the first name, all the first name in the table are joined together and come into the one row. See, it is useful. Sometimes it is very useful. I don't know where you can use it, but it's gonna be a very useful. But now you are saying that it is coming on one row. I want it to break. You can do the break by using your this command, which is result to text. When you are saying result to text and then you are running this query, it will come in this way. It is one record, but it is giving you, because I use the character 13. Character 13 means it break. So every name will break and take a new line. Now come to here and see, I took the name and I took the hire date. The first name, last name, and the hire date. So in this way you can use it. But if you are not using text, this is and you are using the grid, so in this case it will give you one record, one row, everything will be on one row. And SQL Server is doing in this way. So if you need, you can use the text column, and then it will return